Quotations and purchase orders can now be collected in Data Center. We'll be looking into the purchase order as an example in today's video. Before, sales slips were only able to be collected. However, it is now possible to collect purchase orders received via email by clicking on the Send to Account ERP button at the bottom and create sales or sales orders. With Apply Value Matching feature, it is possible to convert the received data into our company's information. Once done, this will automatically convert all the data received from the same vendor as you have set. Please note, quotations can also be collected in the same way, and with the collected data, you may create purchase orders or purchases.
It is now possible to check whether a purchase slip has been created or not by checking the Transmission Status field. This will also be provided as a search criteria, allowing to view the two different data separately.